If you own a 2024 or newer Can-Am Spyder F3 or RT model and are looking for a convenient way to store your favorite beverage, then check out our bolt-on drink holder from the team at SC Performance. This drink holder is available in both left and right side configurations and mounts directly to the backside of the factory switch assembly using the included hardware, giving you quick and easy access to your drink. It features a sleek aluminum bracket that's powder-coated black to blend seamlessly with your handlebars. The adjustable dial allows you to effortlessly fit different container sizes, while rubber inlays keep your drink securely in place, ensuring it's there when you need it most. Now allow our team to walk you through the installation process on our Shop 2024 Spyder F3T.
Before you begin, make sure that your bike is on level ground and that your parking brake is engaged. If you purchased the left side drink holder, use a 3mm Allen wrench to remove the 2 factory screws on the back side of the left switch assembly. Please note that the factory hardware will not be reused. Take both the short and long socket head screws provided in your kit, add a washer to each, and set them aside for later. Locate the shorter black spacer and insert it into the bottom mounting hole. Then align the lower mounting hole in the drink holder bracket with the spacer. Insert the short screw with washer through the bracket and spacer and thread it into the switch assembly finger tight for now. Insert the long spacer into the top mounting hole. Then insert the long screw with washer to secure it into place. Go back through with a 3mm Allen wrench and snug down your hardware, making sure not to over tighten. If installing the right side drink holder, follow the same steps. The only difference is that both spacers and screws are the same length.
If hydration is on your mod list, head over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab an adjustable drink holder for your Spyder. And don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date with everything on 3 wheels. I'm Jen, signing out. Until next time.